Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing about phosphoric acid or acid phosphoricum, whatever you name it. But as the name suggests, there are two components. One is the acid part and one is the phosphorus part. So from the name only we can derive कि phosphorus जैसे elements रहेंगे, that is love and everything. But there will be acridity of acid as well. So what acids are like? So acids have debility, right? In the whole acid group you will find debility except for one, that is the fluoric acid, that is the high on energy acid. Except this, all acids have debility. Some have mental, some has physical. So in acid phos what we find is the mental debility. First the mental weakness will come and then the physical weakness will come. So what it does is कि फर्स्टली एक तो चीज़ ऐसी रहती है एसिड फॉस में कि देयर इज़ द प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम द लव डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. बिकॉज फॉस्फोरस एलिमेंट है तो लव की नीड इनकी रहती है, बट because of the acid component they get very much disappointment in the love and they get very much easily hurt, but their reaction is generally very much anger. So you will find this remedy in angry when obliged to answer avota. But this avota is not like the avota of nux vomica or arnica where they have become very rough. But in acid force they become irritable towards the loved ones only. जो उनसे प्यार से बात कर रहे हैं they become no, I don't want to get hurt. So there is a avota but with indifference, because they don't want to feel anything from their loved ones. They become indifferent to them कि now they will hurt me, hence I will not feel anything from that. So एक सीपिया का इंडिफरेंस रहता है, एक एसिड फॉस का इंडिफरेंस रहता है. सीपिया का इंडिफरेंस ऑल्सो कम्स फ्रॉम लव, बट देयर इंडिफरेंस इज वेरी रफ. They just stop talking to the opposite one. But acid force, they want to talk, but they want to show indifferent to them because they don't want to get hurt from them. सीपिया थोड़ा ह्यूमिलिएशन की वजह से हर्ट होते हैं. एसिड फॉस अपनी लव डिसअपॉइंटमेंट की वजह से ज़्यादा हर्ट होते हैं. सो एसिड फॉस का स्पेसिफिक है. फर्स्ट इज द अवोटा, दे कवर अवोटा बट with the love affections. Secondly, they have the high and very highest desires for sour liquids and refreshing drinks. नींबू पानी बहुत पसंद आता है इनको, फ्रूट जूसेस बहुत पसंद आते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज एसिड्स की वजह से उनके अंदर इतनी डेबिलिटी आ जाती है, देन दे नीड सम रिफ्रेशिंग ड्रिंक्स टू मेक देम रिफ्रेश्ड. बिकॉज मेंटल उनके लिए एक स्टिमुलेंट की तरह काम करता है ये सावर ड्रिंक्स, रिफ्रेशिंग ड्रिंक्स. So first is that, and to confirm we only ask them, do you like refreshing juices, refreshing fruits? That is the hallmark confirmation for the phosphoric acid. Now coming forward more for them, so if we go in beyond, like sora में हमने कहा कि love disappoint हो गया, but if we go for the for the syphilitic part कि extreme में वो कहाँ तक जाएंगे, तो love में they are so much want of love is so much that they go into indifference or clinging, both. But we have seen more of indifferent phosphoric acid than the clinging phosphoric acid. But there are also some which go into clinging also, because love has both the aspects. So in syphilis they can either go in the indifference or in clinging part as well. So this is all for the acid phos. Thank you, and to know more you can join our module sessions. You can explore our website. Thank you, and for any other details you can post anything in the comment section. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.